Hello, everyone. Today I will guide everyone how to create a password for Windows 10 computer. First, everyone will give me the Start button. Select Settings. Next, you will select the Account section. Select Sign In Options. Here, people will have many ways to create a password for the computer, like unlocking your computer with your face, like on this phone. Or unlock the computer with this fingerprint. Or unlock the computer like on the phone with this PIN code. Or use USB to open it. Or the usual way is to create a password. Let's open the computer, or use a photo to unlock the computer. With the two ways above, then everyone's computer must support it. Then everyone can create it. Here, my computer does not support it. Will not be able to create a password. With how to create a Windows Hello PIN password, then everyone needs to create a regular password first. Then everyone can create it. Or set password according to the photo. Then everyone needs to create a regular password first. Then everyone can create. Then in this video, I will guide everyone. The way to create a password that we most often do is create a password. Everyone chooses to come here. Next, everyone chooses this ad. In the first line, everyone will enter the new password. The second line is the password confirmation line, means this line will be similar to this line. The third line is the password hint line. In case anyone forgets this password, then everyone can use this line to open the computer. After everyone has finished entering, everyone selects Next. Select Finish. So we have created success. Password for computer on Windows 10. Now, everyone who wants to create a Windows Hello PIN password can create one. Everyone choose this. So everyone can add this, or create a password based on a picture. Then everyone chooses to join, and everyone choose Add. Now, I will restart the computer to see if your computer has a password. As everyone can see here, my computer requires a password to open it. I will enter the password I just created. And select the arrow icon. Just as simple as that, I was able to create a password for my Windows 10 computer. Everyone watched the video and found it interesting. If you find it useful, remember to give me a like, one share, one subscribe to the channel.